Hello, in front of me I've got XPeng P7 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage shifter. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Behind it, we've got this shifter. Use it to change driving mode. Press brake and now push it upwards to select reverse, downwards to select drive, slightly upwards or slightly downwards with hold to select neutral. Press the button located on the top to select parking mode. To activate LCC, press and hold it downwards. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.